And so like any accounting system, we have a lot of basic reports like trial balance, aging reports, inventory reports. A lot of them are the list report. This is just your super basic report, right? Just an old school, hey, here's a listed report it prints out. Maybe I can get to Excel, maybe I go to PDF, whatever it is. But it's super basic and I can't do much with it. So you can take any report in this list. I'm going to go back to the full list. Any report in this list, and there's of course hundreds of reports in Business Central, and create an Excel layout version of those reports. And what I normally do when we do this is we set that report and make it the default so that anytime I run this report, then when I click download, it knows I want the Excel version of this report. But I could take that data then and do anything I want. I created, here's a basic pivot table. I added a slicer for the item and a slicer for the vendor. It's all live inside Excel because I've gone in now and just changed my data, or I can just work with it live. Now we're all used to, especially from the accounting world, we'll run reports out of Business Central or other systems. We're constantly having to take that data, copy it over, put it in our package, and maybe it's got a lot of analysis and things. And if you're doing that analysis in Excel, you sometimes find yourself having to recreate that, or something goes wrong when you copy paste your raw data, and then you've got calculation issues and problems like that. What this does is whatever changes that I make to this report, when I run it, it saves those changes and that becomes part of the base level report. I could have made a bunch of changes to my data. I'm going to go out and I would just simply reload this into Business Central, and then from then on, that's ready to go. So like in the real world, what I would do is say, I want to run my vendor item purchases report, come in, download it, and when I open it, now it's good to go. It's saved everything that I did. If there's links to external documents or external files or whatever's going on, it got loaded into BC, and it saved my Excel file, but it still added all my real data from BC.